Let's look from TCU out of the timeout. Shotgun snap. Back to Ehlinger. Pressure coming. Sam steps up in the pocket. Throws deep over the middle. Ball caught. Say goodnight to this one. Brennan Eagles. A 45-yard strike to the end zone.
Now Sam Ehlinger, a little bit of pressure, stepped up in the pocket and threw a dime to Brennan Eagles. Nobody down the seam out in front of number 13.
Snap to Ehlinger. Sam swings it out to Roschon Johnson. Turns inside the 5. Roschon to the goal line. Touchdown, Texas. Roschon Johnson gets it across for the score. And the Longhorns convert fourth down into 6 points.
A lot of confidence in your quarterback to put it in the air on fourth down, and then Johnson had to make a move.
2nd and 6. It's a keeper for Duggan. Up the middle. 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Max Duggan. Scores it here from 26 yards out. The Horned Frogs win the touchdown. And now TCU goes up 32-29 with 4:01 to go, and I think you go for 2 here.
Texas is in that strange alignment, Brian, where they don't have anybody between the hash marks.
The quarterback Ehlinger this time. Snap comes back. Give it to Ingram up the middle. Frogs ramp him up. Loss of 1 on the play. And now that ball popped out of the end. The Frogs say they have it. Let's see what the officials come up with. TCU has the football.
Wallow hit him.
TCU says it's Horned Frog football, and it is. Keaontay Ingram fumbled this one trying to reach out across the goal line. Wallow knocked it loose. TCU comes up with it with 2:32 to go. Oh my.
That's a huge play.
Is a fumble recovered by the defense. First down, TCU.
Corey Bethley comes up with the fumble as Ingram tried to reach out to get it across the goal line. And that ball pops loose, and it is loose before he comes down.